Time now to take a look at your North Central Washington weather forecast. Hope you had a fantastic Tuesday. It's been kind of a wet 24 hours, and as we look outside our weather window from this afternoon, some more of those low-hanging clouds around Leavenworth as we take a look at the Bavarian Village. From our tower camera, it's our Tumwater tower camera, and you can see the rain falling on our video here, and a lot of North Central Washington experiencing those scattered showers throughout the day today, and I still think that we could see those into tonight. High temperatures about where we are now in the mid-50s, and then look for a lot of sunshine as we get into Wednesday with temperatures in the low 60s for the Wenatchee Valley, and then some evening showers Thursday, giving way to maybe some morning showers on Friday, and then things will stabilize a bit as we get into the upcoming weekend with, yes, the possibility of more showers as we get into Saturday afternoon. All right, today's high temperature a little cooler than normal, unofficially at 56 degrees. 59 is where we should be for this time of year. Boy, beautiful record high of 81 degrees. That was set in 2016. This morning we were at 37, a couple of degrees below where we should be. 39 is our normal low for this time of year. 28 our record, and that was set in 1973. All right, total rainfall for the past 24 hours, 0.14 of an inch at Pangbourne Airport. That now gets us to 2.41 inches for the year, which is just over 1/4 of an inch below where we should be for this time of year. So we're getting closer to that normal. Sunrise 6:25, and the sun sets tonight at 7:41. All right, your Wednesday temperature is going to warm up a little bit. 63 in Moses Lake, also in Ephrata, 62 for Quincy, 61 in Wenatchee, Eniat, and Chelan, 57, a little cooler in the upper elevations for Lake Wenatchee. Cashmere, a nice day for you tomorrow with a high temperature of 60 degrees. Tonight we can expect clearing skies later on as most of the storminess moves over into the panhandle of Idaho and into western Montana. We'll still see a west breeze overnight tonight with low temperatures in the mid to upper 30s, probably a lot like this morning at around 37 degrees. Some high clouds in our Wednesday forecast, but boy, not bad at all with 2 areas of high pressure keeping us stable on Wednesday. High temperatures tomorrow in those low 60s, so should be a nice one for our midweek. For Thursday, mostly cloudy skies. Here's our next weather maker, an extended cold front that will slide through the state. Our best chance for rain will be into Thursday evening, a 30% chance of the wet stuff. Going to warm up too into the mid-60s for Thursday. For your Friday, another ridge of high pressure begins nosing into the Pacific Northwest. We'll see seasonal highs on Friday afternoon with temperatures in those low 60s. So a nice way to end our work week, and then getting you into the upcoming weekend. Going to start off with mostly sunny skies, but with a northwesterly flow, it will be just a little bit cooler with high temperatures Saturday in the mid-50s. And by the end of our weekend on Sunday, lots of sunshine. Once again, 2 areas of high pressure. Boy, look at that, keeping our state just relatively clear on Sunday. High temperatures pretty seasonal, right around 60. And then for Monday, high clouds once again as another ridge of high pressure begins creeping up from the south. Maybe a bit breezy on Monday, some of those high clouds as I mentioned, but nice and mild with high temperatures in the mid-60s. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. 37 overnight tonight. Some high clouds and 61 for Wednesday. Mostly cloudy, warmer on Thursday, and then we'll have about a 30% chance for those evening rain showers on Thursday. Mostly sunny skies then for both Friday and Saturday. Notice though, a little bit cooler on Saturday with a high of 56, getting you back to 60 with sunshine on Sunday, and then for Monday, high clouds and warmer with a high temperature then of 64 degrees. And that's a look at your North Central Washington weather forecast. Coming up next, tonight's sports report with Eric Granstrom and more as the NCWLIFE Evening News continues right after this.